All right, I am super excited to give you a little hack that shockingly is used by almost nobody in the Google AdWords world. So basically, Google Ads has this little hidden thing that people aren't aware of that's called ad customizers. And ad customizers is basically you're able to dynamically target um, and dynamically generate content within an ad. And you can do it as follows. So for example, you can target we do this with e-commerce businesses that have tens of thousands of SKUs, and we'll say let's say we've got X amount of white washing machines starting at 150 bucks, only 10 left in stock. And then we have this uploaded in a little file, and instead of editing the ads every single day, it updates the spreadsheet, which then updates all the campaigns and all the ads dynamically. So you can target by pretty much anything. You can change things by campaign, you can change them by ad group. You can add in different levels of custom text. So you can see it's pro width, 9 pro width mixers starting at 150. You can also target by location. So you can basically tell Google if the location is Denver, Colorado, show 20% off our mixers. And if it's the rest of the United States, just say best price guaranteed. And then they also have this countdown timer, which is cool, a little bit funky. You gotta either dynamically be updating it. It looks very, very cool, but not very, just not a lot of use cases. But here's a very, very simple result. Let's just say you're targeting every single country, every single city in the country, and you are, instead of saying, if I'm doing, let's say, contractors near me as an example, you have little schmucks like Home Advisor and Angie's List and Gaff that are just saying, hey, get contractors, enter your zip code, blah blah blah. Guess what Thumbtack does? Find a general contractor near Henderson, Nevada. And they're not doing this. I guarantee you they don't have 5,768 different campaigns targeting every single city. What they do is they have this little cutesy ad customizer that basically targets, that dynamically places in Henderson, Nevada because I'm in Henderson, Nevada. So let's look at how to do this because it's shockingly simple. We're 2 minutes in. We're going to make this a little 5-minute hack. You ready? Let's do this. Okay, so first thing we need to do is we need to download this Google spreadsheet that has the list of all the location targets that you have within Google Ads all across the world. So here's our little spreadsheet. I've already got this filtered, so we'll do it all over again. And it's got a criteria ID, a name, which is the name of the location, the canonical name, which is basically the name plus that added all the other variants, parent ID, country, what type of target it is, and the status. So what we're going to do is something very simple. We want to say wherever Google has a match to a city, we want to dynamically place the city name in the ad. So we're going to grab all the cities. Now, I personally, let's filter out United States. So here we go, US, and then you can just grab it and copy and paste this. And I'm going to show you how to copy and paste. For me, I want to do California because I'm running ads for our therapy business. And so I want to just be targeting different cities in California. So I'm going to filter out on the canonical, wherever it says California, and now I have 972 different locations. I'm going to copy these two fields, and then we're going to paste that into my ad customizer template. My ad customizer template, which you can also download by going to the Google Doc for this, or you can go into Google Ads. You can go to tools and settings, business data, and here we go. I already have this, but you can just create your own new one, and it'll give you a ad customizer Excel spreadsheet template to fill out. Now, sorry, I'm running all around the place. So now I have my list. I have my name and my canonical name, and here we go. What I'm doing, I'm literally, one second. So let's open up the ad. I'll show you the ad customizer template, and then I will show you what the final one looks like. So when you download the Ad Customizer template, it looks like this, and Google gives you the ability to see all these different targets, and you can do whatever you want. You can see capacity, type, start price, model. All those things are custom. You can dynamically pop these in to to Google, reference these fields, and then reference your targeting, which could be either the campaign, the ad group, the target location, or the target keyword. And that's basically this system. So I've made this super duper dumb and simple. I have my list of my target locations, which is I pulled out the canonicals, and then I put in the city name. So I have all these city names that are then being targeted. Now, normally, if I was going to clean this up, I would I'd get a little bit crazy. I'd add in a length. I want to make sure that I'm not going over the length, because anytime the ads go over the 30 character mark, it's just going to default and you're not going to show it. And you may as well just cut out all the ones like here, American Canyon. You may as well, we'll shorten it to am.canyon or something like that. So technically, I could go here, I could grab this LEN format, just copy paste it down, sort it, and then spend the time cleaning it up so that it doesn't get too messy. But right now, just for the sake of this exercise, I'm literally just going to save it. So you see I have target location, which is that first column, and then I've put city name, which is my own custom title. Now here's what I'm doing. So if I go into my Google Ads, I've created a new feed, and here, come on. So I've gone into tools and settings, gone into business data, gone plus, ad customizer. You can see here's that template that we downloaded. I gave it a name. I selected the file, and boom, I have my cities in California list. Now, all I did, I went back, opened up an ad. Let's go. Where is that ad? Oh, come on. Let's see. We have it here. Here we go. So all I did was I copied one of my ads, and then I just edited it to place get teletherapy in and dynamically put in this ad customizer. All I did, you do an open quote, you pull an ad customizer, and it already knows which ad customizers you have in the business data center, and then you just I pick that the spreadsheet, I pick the relevant field, and voila, I'm done. It's going to dynamically fill in the city name. Now you have to be careful. You always have to have, number one, you want to have a backup in case it doesn't work. So you just put a little you put a colon here, and you're going to put in I'm going to do California. And then and then I can save it. And then the other thing you're going to need to do is Google will not, in case it doesn't, you want to make sure that in case Google doesn't match the IP address to specific city, that it doesn't trigger, that you don't not show any ads. You always have to have a second ad in every single ad group that you're going to have ad customizers. But doing this is huge. You can get great wins. So especially if you're doing national campaigns, but you want to look like you're local and you don't want to create 5,000 plus campaigns, this is an easy, frickin' slick way to do it. Rock and roll, enjoy.